Today we start with 10th problem and finish this new profit sharing ratio, and then we will go for sacrifice ratio problems. ಅದು ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ 10th ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ 9th ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Whether I solved 10th problem on the board, just check.
No, sir.
No,
Okay. Now, okay. So let's start with problem number 10. Okay. So now be little careful while solving this problem. This is a new kind of problem where entire share is sacrificed by only one partner. Okay. So now, first let me read the problem, which says that Saraswati and Lakshmi are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 4:1. They admit Parvati as a new partner for 1/4 share in future profits, which she acquired wholly from Saraswati. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Now, here the share sacrificed is given to us. What is given to us? Share sacrificed. So in that case, first you put a heading, that is calculation of new profit sharing ratio of Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio of Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. Now, let's start. First, let me quote the formula, that is new share is equal to old share minus share sacrificed, and this is the basic formula which we learned in the previous classes. Now, first, Saraswati. Her old share was, I think 4/5, right? 4:1
Yes,
is the
sir.
old ratio. So 4/5 was her old share, and she has sacrificed 1/4 because Parvati is admitted for 1/4 share, and that entire share is sacrificed by Saraswati. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? She is admitted
Yes,
for
sir.
1/4 share, and entire 1/4 share is given by Saraswati. So Saraswati's new share will be 4/5 minus 1/4. So here 5 4s are 20 will be the LCM. So 5 4s are 4 5s are. This leads to 4 into 4, 16 minus 5 divided by 20, which leads to 11 divided by 20. 11 divided by 20. Next, Lakshmi. Now, there will be no change in Lakshmi's share because earlier her share was 1/5 and she has not sacrificed anything. So, in that case, what we need to do is we should try to make her denominator as 20. To do that, we need to multiply by 4/4. So that gives us 4/20. And the last one is Parvati. It is Parvati got 1/4 share. But in order to make a ratio, I need to have a denominator of 20. So in that case, I need to multiply it with 5/5. So that makes it as 5/20. So therefore, you fully. New profit sharing ratio is equal to 11:4:5. 11:4:5. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's move to the problems on sacrifice ratio. Now, in the sacrifice ratio, we come across three cases, remember. Sacrifice ratio, there will be three cases. In the first case, we will be given ratio and new ratio. Now, for example, if I tell you, while going from home, you had total 20 rupees. Total 20 rupees. And when you came back, you had 8 rupees. How much you spent? ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you spent 12 rupees. How you ascertain? Your old balance was 20 and your new balance was is 12. So it is 8. The difference is spending. In the same way, in order to understand when old ratio and new ratio both are available, the formula will be sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Hope you will understand by this. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. Now, the next is second case. The case 2. In the case 2, we need to assume a point, that is sacrifice ratio is equal to the ratio of share sacrificed. You need to remember this. This is a universal statement which you need to remember, that is sacrifice ratio is equal to the ratio of share sacrificed. Okay. And the third case.
What happened, guys?
Third one. That is, in this case, we need to adopt 3 steps. First is, you need to go for remaining share. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus new partner share. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus new partner share. And next is, new ratio is equal to remaining share into agreed ratio. Here they will be giving you agreed ratio. Agreed ratio. AR is nothing but agreed ratio. And the last one is sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. three types of problems. The first, where old ratio and new ratio will be given. Then you need to ascertain sacrifice ratio. In the second one is, they will tell you how to ascertain share sacrifice, and the answer will be the ratio of share sacrifice, that is sacrifice ratio. And then in the third one, you need to adopt three steps. First one is remaining share is equal to 1 minus new partner share. This you have already done. Then new ratio is equal to remaining share into agreed ratio. And the last one is sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. And always old ratio will be given in the problem. Hope you have noted down.
Yes, sir.
Then, next. Come to problem number 1. Mohan and Madan are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3, which is nothing but 4/7 and 3/7. They admit Murali into partnership, and the new profit sharing ratio is agreed at 7:4:3. Find out the sacrifice ratio of old partners. Remember, sacrifice ratio will be only for old partners because they can sacrifice. न्यू पार्टनर को कैलकुलेट करना नहीं होता है, तो सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो सिर्फ दो लोगों के लिए, दैट इज मोहन एंड
Madan.
We know that in this problem, first they have mentioned that Mohan and Madan are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. It is old ratio. Okay, and they admit Murali into partnership and the new profit sharing ratio. The name itself says that it is new profit sharing ratio. It is 7:4:3. So now, when we have old ratio and new ratio, I have already given you the formula. That is, first you write the heading, calculation of sacrifice ratio. Problem number 1. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of of Mohan and Murali. Of Mohan and Madan. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of Mohan and Madan. So first formula, that is sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so in this, the first one is Mohan. Mohan's old ratio is 4/7 minus 7/14. So 7 and 14, if you take LCM, it will be 14. So this leads to 4 2s are 8 minus 7 1s are 7 divided by 14. So this leads to 1/14. Next is Madan. Three by 7 minus, I think 4/14, right? Just check his new ratio. I think 4/14.
Yes, sir.
Now again, 7 2s are 14 1s are 6 minus 4 divided by 14, which will be 2 divided by 14. Hence, sacrifice ratio is equal to 1:2. 1:2. Hope you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me solve. I think seventh problem is also same. You can check.
Yes, yes, sir.
Let's come to eighth problem. Aarti and Bharti are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 is old ratio, and they admit Kirti into partnership, and the new profit sharing ratio is 4:3:3. This is new ratio. Calculate sacrifice ratio of Aarti and Bharti. So put heading calculation of 8:1. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of Aarti and Bharti. Aarti and Bharti. And first you write that formula, that is sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Finished? Now, first, sacrifice ratio is equal to, already we have written the formula. First is Aarti. Aarti is equal to, first, old ratio 3/5 minus 4/10. Then we need to take 5 and 10's LCM, it will be 10 only. So 5 2s are 10 1s are. That leads to 6 minus 4 divided by 10, which is 2 divided by 10. The next is Bharati. 2/5 minus 3/10. Now it will be 4 minus 3 divided by 10. It will be 1 divided by 10. So next is sacrifice ratio is equal to 2:1. Hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Now you have a lot of homework to do on this based on this problem. second and third are your homework. Second and third are your homework. Okay. Next. You come to problem number 5th. 5th, I will solve. On the basis of that, you need to solve 6th. 6th will be your homework. Now, the problem is, let me solve this side. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z into the partnership. X agrees to surrender half and of his share. Y agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share in favor of Z. So calculate the sacrifice ratio. Now calculating this is a bit easy. Now let's start. Because to calculate this, we need to ascertain first. You need to write heading first, calculation of sacrifice ratio of Mr. X and Y. Now, heading first, calculation of sacrifice ratio of X and Y. So here now, share sacrifice is equal to old share into share surrendered. Old share into share surrendered. Now, Mr. X, X old share is 3/5 and he has surrendered half. Okay. So his share sacrifice will be 3/10. Next, Y. 2/5 into 1/4 because he has surrendered 1/4. So that will be 2/20. In order to make it 10 or make it as 20, I will make it as 10 by dividing. So it will be 1/10. And if you remember, I have given you the formula, that is sacrifice ratio is equal to the ratio of share sacrificed, which is nothing but 3/10 is to 1/10, which is nothing but 3:1. First, you need to ascertain the share surrendered. Share sacrificed by multiplying the old share with the share surrendered. And once you get that, itself will be the ratio, but उसको आपको ठीक ढंग से लिखना है बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं. Over?
Yes, sir.
Now, once we finish this, we look at the last type of problem, which is little bit complicated only. On the basis of this, you need to do 6th as your homework. Now, let's start with the problem number 4, and on the basis of this, problem number 9 will be your homework. Yes. So first, Anil and Sunil are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. In the ratio of 3:2. Okay. They admit Ashok as a new partner for 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio between Anil and Sunil. See here, in the previous problems, they were giving us old ratio and new ratio. But the problem with this problem is they have given new ratio, but only they have given new ratio between the two partners which were already existing. But they have not given new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. So that is the basic problem which is associated with this problem. So that's why first we need to ascertain the new ratio, then only we will be able to ascertain sacrifice ratio. Because what is the formula for sacrifice ratio? It is old ratio minus new ratio. So old ratio we already have. So we need to ascertain new ratio. Okay. So to ascertain new ratio, we will be adopting our previous method, that is 1 minus remaining share. Then we will be able to ascertain. So let me first solve this so that you can understand. So first, problem number 4. Put a heading: calculation of calculation of sacrifice ratio of Mr. Anil and Sunil. Wait. Last year. Now, first, remaining share is equal to 1 minus new partner's share. 1 minus new partner's share. Now, the new partner's share is 1/6. Sorry, how much it is? 1/4. So it will be 1 minus 1/4, which will be equal to 3/4. Now, this is the first step. Then the next step is you need to calculate new share, new ratio, which is equal to remaining share multiplied by agreed share. Remaining share multiplied by agreed share. Now, first, Mr. Anil. The remaining share is 3/4. We have calculated above. And the agreed share is, now you come to the end, there will be a point which mentions that Anil and Sunil will be sharing the profits in the ratio 2:1. So that means Anil's ratio is 2/3. So which makes us 6/12. And after that, Sunil is equal to 3/4 into 1/3 which will be 3 divided by 12. Then we got what we wanted. This is what we wanted. So that's why we can move to the next head, that is, now we ascertained new share. Then the next is sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So first is Anil. Anil's old ratio was 3/5 minus the new ratio is 6/12. So if you take LCM of 5 and 12, it will be 60 because they do not appear in common table. So it will be 5 12s and it will be 12 5s. So it will be 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36 minus 6 5s are 30 divided by 60. It will be 6/60. 6/60. The next is Sunil. Sunil is 2/5 minus 3/12. Again 5 12s are 12 5s are, which leads to 2 12s are 24 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 60, which will be 9/60. 9/60. Hence, therefore, sacrifice ratio is equal to 6:9, which is nothing but 2:3. 2:3. So with this, we will end today's class because we have covered almost all the problems, and based on this problem, you need to solve problem number 9, that is Ravi and Shankar. So today you have at least 4 to 5 problems as homework, and today those all who will not be submitting, today I will be noting individually who all have submitted and who all have not submitted. And if you do not submit, remember, you will not be allowed, as well as there will be a strict action against you when you come back to the college.